Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by Code 4 LED. Take control.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. This is the "you're not going to believe this" portion of the show. This is Remediate from R3 Industrial. Rich, give us the overview. What does this do?
Remediate was designed to micro-encapsulate hydrocarbons. So you have spills out in the gas and oil industry, you have spills in your garage, under your car or parking lot. There's always some type of hydrocarbon spills. We started working in the gas and oil industry, cleaning up skids, giant motors, big Caterpillar engines, couldn't get the oil on the ground. So we found Remediate, and Remediate basically comes in and micro-encapsulate any oil that gets on the ground. Once it's captured, it's no longer a hydrocarbon. It's considered inert, no longer toxic, no longer hazardous. This is made with green materials. It's not a carcinogenic, it's great. You're not gonna have to worry about cancer or anything like that. This will actually clean any type of hydrocarbon. It's basically what it does, it turns it into a powder. So once it's microencapsulated, as you can see in some of the videos, you can just run your hand on it and it falls right off. So if you were remediating dirt, then basically it's transparent. So it takes on the characteristics of the dirt around it. It'll look like you don't even have a spill. So we can have a spill as big as we are right now and have it cleaned up in one day. No dig and haul, nothing like that.
And you just till it back into the soil.
Right. So what we also found out, when we're spraying the ground, we got this on the hard surfaces, the metal, the steel, the plastics. What we realized, it started capturing it while it was stuck on the actual surfaces. So we tried to power wash this. It did not have any Remediate on it. It's still there. Cold water, power wash. We remediated this side. As you can see, it removes oxidation, brings back the color. Oil's gone.
And there's oil on here that's literally probably older than me. Now, what about the folks that are watching this going, well, I've got a degreaser in the garage.
Right.
I could just use that.
Well, it's kicking the can down the road. You're taking the oil from here and you're dropping it to the ground. Well, you saw when we used Remediate, it micro-encapsulated, it turned it into flakes, it dropped to the ground, there was no oil residue on the ground. So if you did this with just a caustic soap, regular soap, it's gonna land on the ground, kick it down the road, it's gonna go into the drainage system, and then the city has to take care of it. Here, you're taking care of it before it even hits. So it's an environmentally friendly green product that micro-encapsulate hydrocarbons.
What else can you use it on?
Any type of hydrocarbon residue. It also works on glycol. So if you have some glycol spills, it works on that. It actually works on urine. If you got urine smell inside of a house, on the ground, in the backyard, it'll actually clean that up. It'll get rid of the smell immediately. It gets rid of chemical smells. It'll work on mold and mildew. Just spray it on your bathtub, let it sit, and wipe it down. The key to Remediate is patience. Spray it, let it sit, let it dry, come back, cut your cleaning time in half. That's the best part of that, because you're no longer chasing oil. You're no longer chasing grease. It works in restaurants, bacon grease, greasy floors.
Of course, our forklift project was super impressive, but the one that was super easy was the engine cleaning outside on that diesel. Gunk from years and years of use.
Again, it's patience. Now, it works really great when the sun's out, a hotter engine, it's gonna work really fast. A little colder weather, it takes a little bit longer. My recommendation is always spray it the day before. Come back the next day, wash it off, clean it off. But it's that easy. We cleaned that engine in one.
It took probably a half hour when all was said and done. But the actual effort from us was about 3 minutes.
Right, and that was with a cold water wash with a water hose.
Not even a pressure wash.
If it was regular degreaser with caustic soap, you'd have to use hot water, push it around, again, leaving residue. This will leave no residue on the ground.
You've got to get some of this for yourself. It's called Remediate. You can find it at remediate.com. That's R3 Mediate. You are not going to believe the stuff this can do for you. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage and more cool products when we come back right after this.